Hi guys, you're with me Sonu, and this is the unboxing of the new Nokia E71. This color is a grey steel, so let's go ahead and unbox it. As you can see, here's your handset. That's what you get in the cover. And let me see what else you get. You get a UK charger with it. It's the charger you get, and we'll just be looking at the handset in a little while. You get a hands-free kit. You get a USB. This is your USB stick for your USB cord, and you get a nice leather cover with it. It matches your handset. And things you get is a little software for it, and your little user book as well, and also a little handbook. Right, so let's put this back. These are Nokias, are really nice phones. Really, every time I've had a Nokia. So this is it right here. This is the Nokia E71. As you can see, it's got a nice keypad for all the people who like to text a lot. And the back, it's like a big shimmer black, like it's really soft. It's like real bumps in it, but it's really nice to have with it, like that. It's really nice. It's a 3.2 megapixel, and this is the cover for it. And you also get a little hand case for it as well. So yeah, this was the unboxing of the Nokia E71. Thank you.